Start.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is from class 7 to
Loudly.
out English question answer. Who was the man in silk? The man in silk was Nawab Hassan Ali. He came to Qadir shop to taste his best dish. What was Nawab doing when Sadiq went to fetch him? Nawab was flying kite when Sadiq went to fetch him. Who greeted Qadir at the vegetable shop? One of the helper of greeted Qadir at vegetable shop. Who asked the Qadir his shopping for the dal sai urad doing? What did Said do to fetch Nawab to his shop? Sadiq requested his friend to Aman cat the Nawab kite to fetch him his shop. What did Nawab say after tasting the dal sai urad? After tasting the dal sai urad, Nawab told that this dal was truly heavenly because he had never tasted anything better than that. Why did Nawab give a bag full of money in Qadir's shop? Nawab gave a bag full of money in Qadir's shop as a reward for his full dal sai urad. Who was Vikramaditya? Vikramaditya was the king of Ujjain in India. The guilty trembled before him as their eyes would look straight into their guilt. What happened to the place and fortress of Vikramaditya after his deed? After his deed, his places and fortress were ruined. What did the village boy find the pasture? The village boy found a playground for playing in the pasture. What change did the village boy find the boy who sat on the green mound? The boy looked so different after sitting the manual. He became brave and more serious. His tone and manners were ruined. Others boys starting fighting to them. What did the king of Ujjain decide to do? The king of Ujjain decided to dug out the judgment seat of Vikramaditya and then sitting here to all the cases. What did the last angle say to the king? What was the king reply? The last angle asked the king if he perfectly pure in art as pure, his pure as little of child. The king replied that he was nor why to them seat on judgment seat of Vikramaditya. Thank you.
Over.
Yes, sir.
Okay.